In this video we will have three laws of robotics, which is basically you to ask in university exams and in different exams. So what are the basically laws of robotics is there, we will study here. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel till now, please, there is an humble request with you, please subscribe my YouTube channel, because here we have a range of videos, educational videos are there. So it's an humble request, please let me grow. Now coming to the point, what is basically uh, three laws of robotics is, uh, I have mentioned here. You can see first one is, this is also called as Isaac Asimov law of robotics. So you can put it in your university exams as well, that it is also called as Isaac Asimov law of robotics. First one is that I have highlighted here: a robot may not injure a human being. Any one robot will never injure a human being through any inaction and allow any human being to come to harm unless this would violate, break a higher order law. Higher order law, that is also called as zeroth law. So basically in this law we are enabling that any robotics will never injure a human being, and through any inaction or allow any human being to come to harm unless it will violate a higher order laws. Now coming to the second point, which is a second law of robotics that I have highlighted here: a robot must obey orders given by human being except where such orders would conflict with a higher order law. That is first law. Basically that was your zeroth law, that is your first law, and that is your second law. So you can specify as a zeroth law, first law, and second law. You can write it in your university exams. So what is first law? Basically, according to first law, a robot must obey orders given by human being. First of all, we have to do a lot of programming, and after that programming we are giving orders, like you have to do loading, unloading, welding, and different type of activities that are done by robots. So basically the robot has to follow all the orders that is given by human being, except where such orders would conflict with a higher order law. It will not follow orders in which case, basically in that case where it has conflict with a higher order law, that is called first law. Now coming to the second law. Second law that I have mentioned here, you can see in this: a robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection doesn't conflict with a higher order law. So according to second law, any robot must protect itself, its own existence, uh, until it is going to conflict with any higher order law. So these are basically three laws of robotics. For more updated videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.